Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and use a separate headset and a microphone on your PlayStation 5 at the same time. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So do you want to go ahead and use a separate microphone for your PlayStation 4 or 5 live stream? Well, you can go ahead and use your regular headset that's USB and then use a USB microphone like this Blueyeti or this standalone microphone that I have a push to activate or a push to mute button on it, where I can easily mute my audio to my live stream real quick. So how can we go ahead and get this set up on our PlayStation 5 live stream or just on our PS5 in general, so we can go ahead and use our microphone that we want? Well, let's switch over to my PlayStation 5 right now, and then on the home screen, let's go up to the top and then scroll over to settings, select this. Now let's go down to sound. Now we have microphone right at the top. Now let's select input device, and I'm going to go ahead and connect my headset and my standalone microphone to my PlayStation 5. So right now it's connected to the wireless USB headset. Let's plug in my microphone right now, and this should switch over, and I have the option to connect it to one of my profiles. So let's select Timble Slice. Now, if you're going to go ahead and do this, one thing you need to be aware about is the PlayStation 5 will switch over your device automatically. So what you'll want to do is connect your headset first and then your microphone second. So my input device now is my microphone. So let's select my USB microphone, CM Tech. Now my output device will be my headset. So let's go back to the left, down, audio output. Now we want to select the output device and put this to our wireless headset, our USB headset, or whatever we are going to be using. So that is selected correctly. So right here is the switch output device automatically selection. If you want to turn this off, go ahead and do it here. So when you connect a new USB device or any device, it's going to switch over to the output automatically. So if you don't want your settings changing, go ahead and turn off this setting. So now I can go ahead and talk with my USB microphone right here, and then I can get the audio in this headset right here. And this will be perfect for any kind of live stream broadcast for my PlayStation 5. Some of these headsets don't have the best microphone, and if I can use like a Blueyeti microphone or a different USB microphone like this, the audio quality will be far better. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 5 tech out videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.